10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, that going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna be what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Though you being charged, he'll do it like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his visa. President's attention, slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, they gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, come and scrape from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm far from the pavement. A million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on them baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to hate. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to hate.
Yo, yo, yo! What's going on, chat? Turn this down. How is everyone doing? Let's get some W's in the chat. Let me open this. I'm gonna drink this protein shake. How is everyone doing? How is everyone doing? Please spam those W's. Open this. Who here's on the protein shake? Who's drank these? DJ's broke Asia highs. It broke it a while ago, bro. We'll go over it. We'll go over everything, bro. Let's go check out the stream. Hello, hello, hello. Testing. Hello. All right, there we go. Perfect. Good to see you guys. Welcome back to another episode of... No, I'm kidding. Welcome back to the episode of how to blow your account. No, I'm totally kidding. Appreciate you guys for being here, tuning in. Last day of the week. Hope you guys had a great week. This is stupid. I wish this didn't happen, but you know, I don't pick what the market does. I personally think the market's been a little weird this week. I don't know how you guys feel, but I mean, no excuses. I just think compared to a lot of the recent weeks and stuff, a lot slower for sure. Let's break down some charts regardless. We're still gonna break down everything. So you could have anticipated this GJ push just upon like higher time frames and lower time frames, but even the higher time frames that I go, you're gonna see us just making higher highs and higher lows all the way up. And all we did is we kind of came up, made a higher high, higher low, and continued. You know what I'm saying? So coming down to the 5 minute, this was a low sweep I was talking about this morning, pre-New York. Went over in the mentorship, whatever, but I didn't see it. But I mean, if you really look at it right here, guys, when it comes to these like trend line breaks, I love when we get this like sweeps that go up, especially when we're taking out the Asia lows right here, sweeping back up. But you know, you guys know how I like to trade. I don't like to chase the trade. It's already flying. I'm not going to get in buys right now. We'll see if we can get a retracement, but Lewis, are you here? I saw you send the mentorship the waiting for GDD back in discount. I agree. I agree. It's even still scary when it moves that much, you know, because when we move back, I don't know. You know. Let's go over to GU. GU, guys, if you don't know, reflects whatever's happened on the DXY. You can see DXY is flying and filling this gap from yesterday, as you can see. Or is that today? No, that's today, before New York and Asia. Big old gap occurred, and you see here that we're just now filling it. When DXY is pushing up, we're going to get sells on GU, EU, all those pairs. So you can see here, we kind of took out the lows and then kind of had this reaction to come back in. This is a good example of how I talk to you guys about, like, you know, all right, so bullish, pullback, Asia session, and then we consolidate in between and then become a sweep Asia lows. If you guys really know the strategy and you've been here long enough, you'll always hear me say that if price closes too far outside of the lows or too many candles, that usually shows you that, you know, price is still bearish. You know, like sellers are in control, and if we do come back into the zone, it's most likely just a break and retest to continue instead of just a little liquidity sweep, which usually just consists of little, just, you know, wicks or just even just like a 3 candle sequence that came back in. There's that. EU's gonna be, you know, doing the same thing. GA. J doesn't look as bad. All the other pairs, like I said, because the DXY's moved so far in a direction, it's not, you know, worth taking at this point. USD CAD. USD CAD took out this high. You guys already know if the DXY is going up, USD CAD's going bullish. We're so far in this bearish trend so hard. Lower highs, lower lows. And now we've swept highs not once, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, but this is the 5th time. What the heck? You guys see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, I think that's clearly a shift of structure. We can then come here, fib this up and wait for some sort of reaction. I'll put an alert right in there. You know what I'm saying? We're not gonna take out the highs that many times than me not say that it's bullish. You know what I'm saying? But how's everyone's week so far? Everyone in the comments, let me know. Everyone, let me know how your guys' week's been. Good fucking morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We miss you on NAS, bro. There's just been nothing for me. I really don't, you know. Let's go over to it. So you see here. This morning I was looking at this trend line break. What time did it occur at? 10:35. I was not that confident. Reason being is this was actually drawn more like this at this first high, and when this came up to break this trend line, it had just all these little wicks, little wicks, little wicks. Like I was not really interested. It came down, held this low, and then broke this trend line. Once it broke this trend line, I was literally on with mentorship. I put this up and said if we got a literally just a retracement down at all, right into here, and I would take it to continue up like that. But we never got the pullback, but we did get the little move here. And then, yeah, I feel like we've just kind of consolidated. So that's really the reason, bro. Today, also, you got to think Powell did speak. That's why we got this big ass sell off during New York. So, I mean, like I said, guys, this week in general, just for not even just New York, but even for London, I started the week super solid with a 1 to 3. All the rest of the weeks or the days have been very like consolidating, I would say. You know what I'm saying? AUGA. UJ, fly, crazy. USD CAD. I missing anything, guys? Kind of went over gold. If you go over to gold, guys, if you go to the daily time frame, or actually just the 4 hour, you could see here. Let's see daily. Daily, we got this. All right, what would we need? All right, that's not gonna happen there. Let's see the 4 hour. If we can get a 4 hour closure below these lows, which is right here, I would say we probably are going to come and continue further down to fill this wick. You know what I'm saying? You see here, we're already starting to sell. Hit on like the 1 hour. Clear just kind of lower highs going down, but also I see kind of this trend line. $15-minute. Already taking out the Asia lows. A born week so far. Yeah, I mean, me too, brother. Me too. Toward the pounders, you're insane. Go get some help. No, I'm kidding. If you know, you know. Where are they at though? Where are all you guys from? Where are the number one? Where can we find the number one tortas in the world? EJGU, EU. EU, you can see here, big sell off, continuation back up into here. If I draw a fib, see the pullback into the golden zone. We're getting a reaction from here. Someone said Long Beach, LOL. Tortas at EDC? That is gross. Isn't EDC, that's like the festival shit, right, bro? I love it, dude. And their outfit. Oh my god, bro. I don't even want to imagine it. Cali, their main HQ. Oh my god. Cali, their main HQ. You guys are crazy. You guys are actually crazy. Hangman on UJ? What the frick is a hangman? In all my years of trading, I have not heard of the hangman. Let's see if I could try to like think. Huh, all right, how would this be a hangman? Damn, like a big move. This might be the He said 5 minute. It's a Don Vo term. Didn't that guy scam everyone? Alright, hangman. What does that mean? So is this like the and then how do you make the person? How is it a hangman? Can someone explain to me why it's called the hangman? OGA. All right, yeah. So I was thinking in my head, I could see these lows getting taken out before this. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'll honestly flip this up. It's worth it. Glad to see you're still going crazy with the streams. My name used to be RX and I used to be here daily with Anon and LO. Keep going, go. Appreciate you, RX. Good to see you again, brother. Thank you for being here. Again. Welcome back. You're always welcome. Oh, you should start coming through, bro. I stopped going live for a little bit, but we're back. Oh shit. What are the two MA on your chart? I actually have 3 of them. I have the 8 SMA, I have the 50, and I have the 200. Those are the 3 SMAs I have on my chart. How about a plain Jane Broly? Nice 12 pip stop loss. I like this trade. Fuck it. Did you catch anything on gold today? I was banking on it but missed. Actually, I did not. I did not bank on gold today. There was all that kind of consolidation this morning when Powell spoke. And it kind of channeling up, and then I don't know. I feel like from here to over here has been ugly. It looks like these first candles, like these first sell candles, look like the first candles with volume that I've seen in a while. All these to me still look a little ugly, and then all of a sudden, boom, 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 we're getting good volume. We're getting good volume pushing down. So. I want everyone in the chat. What is your guys' favorite? What's your guys' favorite pair? Oh, and also, guys, make sure you guys are tuned into the new YouTube video. I was not able to, promote it or anything. Damn, that's not it. Because my Instagram's down. Anyone who's been watching me and stuff knows my Instagram's down. So it would mean a lot if you guys could go and tune in and click that link. Click that link, show some love. So you know who's live right now? Oh, there's this guy. He said shower and coffee. Who else goes live? Who else live streams nowadays, guys? I've only seen this guy. I don't know any of the other guys. Let's see. Live Forex trading. Live gold. This guy is at $42.
This one is our daily setup in a JBP CAD. JBP got right now doing a range in a daily time frame above from a weekly support level.
He has 15k subs. This is what I love, is that obviously he's from a different country and he has his whole own fan base who probably like, you know what I'm saying, bro? I just love seeing that type of shit. The industry is just so big.
Man, Friday madness we have here. GJ pushed 100 pips this morning and probably got
I don't know who that is. Actually, I think I've maybe seen him once. How many subs does he have? 64k? The fuck? How many views is his? Ain't no way, bruh. Millennial FX is London? I don't know. But everyone go. Trade Tribe isn't bad, but he talks a lot. Do I not talk a lot? I think I talk like just the right amount, right, chat? I'm gonna leave a comment. Everyone go leave a comment. Messages. Here we go. I think he goes on rants a lot more than marking up charts. That's me some nights though when stuff's ugly. I'm like, fuck it. The first red candle you see UJ create, I guess it makes an engulf to the downside. It's considered a hangman instead of a quick reversal. Okay, let's go back to UJ. UJ 5 minute. The first red candle you see UJ create, I guess when it gets engulfed to the downside is considered. Alright, so this engulfed to the downside. This engulfed to the downside. I don't see a bearish candle getting engulfed to the downside. At the top, this one? Or up here? But you always lace this up with the juice so it's all good. Yeah, like I spit enough gems that it makes up for all the just nonsense I talk. And all the tortas I be talking about. I'm kidding. Just joking. Matt, you said you're in LA, right? Some of these YouTubers make it seem like they doing brain surgery. They make it complicated. Luca all the way, man. Hey, thank you, Jedi777. I mean, it's good to hear because my strategy definitely is a little bit more, you know, it's not like very, very simple, but like once you understand it and I really break down the price action of it, the thing I love about it is it makes sense. You know what I'm saying? It just makes sense. Oh, they didn't be eating today food. Bro said tortas need to be eaten too. I need a shirt that says that. Make tortas great again. Luca on Hango Trade, which live account do you suggest? ECN Plus, guys. ECN Plus account. Close to Santa Barbara and San. Oh, okay. A little deeper. I like that Trade Sharp is consistent. He is always live for last year, so every day. Yeah, shout out to people like that, bro. More consistent than me. You know what I'm saying? That's the one thing I always admit, that I haven't been consistent with the live streams this year. Towards the end, though, I've been pretty good this last couple weeks, right, guys? How many weeks has it been? I should check. But sometimes I take Wednesday off. I took last night off, guys. More of just like a chill, fucking mental health night, just to chill by myself and trade. But that's the only night. All the other nights I'd be on here with you guys. Bro, I keep trying to check to see if my Instagram is back. It's like sad. Ain't nothing wrong with that, brother. Yes, sir. Is there any other pairs I haven't gone over, guys, that you guys want me to check out real quick? What's that? Ain't nothing wrong with that, brother. Love it. Love y'all. I'm talking about the tortas. Did you ever take a trade live on stream? Yes, we took a couple last week. This week, I think that there hasn't been that many good setups when we hopped on. I think it's actually happened before. Not that there hasn't been moves, because trust me, there's been moves, just not during the times we've been on stream and stuff. So, I usually get on, you know, around 10 p.m. my time, stay on until midnight, so for 2 hours. So. Share 30. GU 1 hour. GU 1 hour. I like it. Luca don't sleep, facts. Bro, it kind of just differs nowadays. It's the thing that's been kind of sucky. Shout out to Braham. This is a good setup. Worth looking at. I like. G on the 15 at 6 a. Ooh. Ooh, all these confluences, Lewis with Braham. Okay. Oh, ooh. Okay. Honestly, it doesn't really matter to me whether you take a trade or not. What's important is you show up and you did. Thanks for that. Thank you. Yeah. I mean, not only do I show up and if I don't take a trade, but also, you know, I give you guys a lot of gems, a lot of trading advice, things that I look out for, my strategy, like, you know what I'm saying? Hope you guys feel like you learn as well. All right, GU. You're not too bad tonight. Let's check it out. Let's head on over to the DXY because we need the DXY to sell off, which would make sense, you know. We came here, we created a gap, we filled it, and then we get like maybe a sell off. Why not? That's worth it. Wait, in gold. Gold, nothing I'm really too interested in. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, no. GU though. What about EU? EU. Similar, taking out low. No, it's bad. No gap though. You see here, there's no fair value gap. You go over to GU, I believe there was a fair value gap. Yeah, you see here, we're filling this fair value gap, tapping in. So, what's your fib settings? My fib settings are right here, brother. You guys have T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. No, I'm totally kidding. Just take a screenshot, guys. Just take a screenshot. These are the ones I use, numbers, colors. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm saying you dropping gems, not saying look at gold. Oh. Yeah, I'm dropping gold. Hell yeah. Yo, Reginald, what's going, baby? Good to see you, brother. Hope you're doing well. What do you think caused this big move of gold for the previous 30 days? Somehow I think the gold may be targeting the 3K until the end of the year. Mixture of inflation rates, interest rates, and the election. I think that's what's moved it a lot this last month. And wasn't there like war shit too? And GA just happened to 50%. Let's get into the broker. Guess I do want to just full port something. What was the other thing? GU? Oh yeah. There we go. How to use the fibs for entries? It's more of a confirmation. I keep saying this, that like the reason you guys have been seeing me use fibs more is that like I never really noticed that, like I never verbally was explaining to you guys how like whenever I see like a move or a certain impulse leg that I needed price to be in discount, even of that miniature impulse leg as well as the overall. So like Lewis had said around the 15 about GU, how like yes, we go out to the 15 and we're in a fib level from here to here, and how we're in the 62 here. Well, if I erase that and go into current time, into the 5 minute, well, if I understand that we're in a 1 hour demand and we're also in a fib level, and then now we have this little impulse, I wait for kind of a pullback into discount here and see if I can wait for some sort of reaction to see if I can take it up. I usually wait for more of a break of structure. There really hasn't been a break of structure, but if you go to the 1 minute, kind of like went boom. But what would make it valid is the supply right here. You guys can write this down. The supply that led to the push. Once that gets broken, that's more of a confirmation of change of character. If you know, you know. Just imagine instead of XUSD, we're trading XU Bitcoin as a main currency. Would this even be possible? I think you can. You got to think, bro, if anything has a certain strength or, you know, to it, and it's a currency, then you could trade it against another. They all have a strength against each other. You know how you see Bitcoin and like Bitcoin's at $61,000, you know what I'm saying? That's saying like, you see how this is GU? And how a GU, it's basically saying 1 Great British Pound is equal to this number on the side, whatever it is right now, the 1.33, right? Well, if you go over to Bitcoin, Bitcoin right here says BTC/USD, which means 1 Bitcoin is equal to, and on the side it's going to say what number it's at, which right now it's at like, you know, 50,000s or 60,000s or whatever. So they all have a strength against each other. You know what I'm saying? And then based upon like, because we know that the Bitcoin is worth that much to the dollar, we also are able to then compare it to all the other pairs because we know what the dollar is compared to it to those other pairs. It all makes sense. So yeah, it's like gold. So after the supply gets broken, do you just take the trade from there, or you wait for the pullback? Pullback. So like I said, you wait for the supply, sell off, break a structure, come back up. Once it breaks, that's what you fib. So you see here, I did fib this, and we are getting a reaction down here. So this is usually where I'd be looking for an entry somewhere in here. But I don't really like how we didn't break past this yet. So there really hasn't been any breakage structure. So we can wait a little bit longer on that. So that was G. What was the other one? Oh, it was a GA. GA and GU, which we're looking at buys on both of them. Let's go over to the DXY. All right, I'm seeing nice rejections up in this area. Yeah, not bad. Oh yeah, look at G, you guys. Not bad. GU and GA. Let's wait to see, what time is it? 10. All right, we have 5 minutes to the hourly. Let's see. Let's wait and see. What up, Jahel? I like that low, just got liquidated. I like that, I like that, I like that. Y'all like that or what? What is this, GU? Pull this up on my... Must you use the DXY? Well, the DXY is what drives everything, bro. That's what you guys have to understand. Is that if you don't even understand how the DXY pushes these things, then you're a step behind. Truthfully, truthfully, truthfully. This breaks past the high. You continue, guys. Anyone? Oh, well, there we go. TOPSTEP, you don't even reason or use logic. Okay, GA. Come deeper in, come deeper in. Yo, chat, can we get some thumbs up? Yes, sir. Everyone put some thumbs up. Appreciate y'all, appreciate y'all. GA taking out the lows, but you can see here that if I did get rid of this, you can see here there is this demand sitting right here. So look for reaction here. That's why it's always important to wait for an actual reaction. Double came with double. I don't even like. Can you explain how the DXY drives everything? I'm a girl. Yeah. So what you have to understand is, first off, what is the DXY? The DXY is the dollar index. It tracks the strength of the dollar. So when you go over to pairs like GU or EU or AU, all these pairs that we're looking at, if I'm looking at buys on GU, what you have to understand is that we're trading GBP USD, the Great British Pound, versus the US dollar. If I'm looking at the US dollar and I'm looking at it and it's going either up or down, I can gain basically an edge in the market to know where price is going. That's how people use fundamentals, is when there's news events or, you know, like whatever it may be, they know that that's going to send the DXY or the dollar in a certain direction. So they actually know where GU or EU or any of those pairs are actually going. So first you have to understand what these numbers on the side even mean. What this number right here is telling us is that 1 Great British Pound is equal to 1 point, right now it's, you know, 33829. What that means is it takes this many US dollars to equal 1 Great British Pound. So a lot of people, actually, let's just ask, if this is 1 and this is 1.33829, guys, which currency is stronger? This is the US dollar. This is the Great British Pound. Based upon this, which is stronger? Yes, Jahel is correct. It is GBP because it is more dollars to equal a pound. So why this is important is, once again, if you look at the DXY and you know the DXY, which is the strength of the dollar, is going up, you can go over to places like GU and stuff and understand that the pair actually should be going down. Why? Because the closer this number gets to 1-to-1, the more equal they'll be. Correct? Hope that makes sense. Did anyone pull trigger on GU? Anyone? I'm not gonna lie, it wouldn't let me get in as big of a position as I wanted to get in. Up 2250? Hell yeah. I'm up 510. I wasn't too confident, guys, and you know, I want you guys to more. If you agree with it, you could take it. If you know, if you don't, you don't. But you know, if I was more confident, I would tell you guys that I was getting into it. You know. Do you take GU? Yeah, but I didn't get to get in as big of a lot size. I'm in 10 lots. I wanted to get in 30, and it wouldn't let me. I don't know why. Yeah, 0.01 lot. There we go. Hey, bro. That's repetitions. I always say that, guys. Guys, if you guys are in the markets and you're trying to test out a new strategy or whatever the case may be, even if you don't want to be like doing a challenge or trading like big on a live account, bro, just open a live account and take a 0.01 on every single one. That's risking like nothing. You know what I'm saying? just to get the repetitions in and in, you know what I'm saying, in and out and stuff. So yeah. This is a pretty W setup though, guys. Do you guys and we actually just now broke this supply. So we actually can now fib up this leg and even look for a re-entry on the pullback. You guys some W's in the chat, guys, if you guys have learned something tonight or you guys took the setup or something. Let's get some W's in the chat. I don't really have an Instagram to even take a video and post it on, but might as well. You know what I'm saying? Still showed the love. Another W setup. Even without the IG, still calling bangers to the IG. Oh, fuck. More W's, guys. W's in the chat. Even without the IG, guys, we're still on here on YouTube doing it live every single night. Live setup called. W's in the chat. You can see here on the broker. Closed a little bit, but we're still up, floating. Hell yeah. Shout out to everyone who's here. Like I said, W setup, clean, little breaker retest, 50% retracement, continuation. If you knew the overall trend, you obviously know GU, where we're heading, but W's in the chat. Oh yeah. Here we go. So if you guys didn't get in GU on this little retracement here, the one thing I was talking about is this supply right here. You guys see this supply? This supply has now been broken. And because this is the supply that led to the breaker structure, you could see that now this is considered a change of character. When you have this change of character, you now can fib this low to this high. And now retracement. So if you guys didn't get in right there, you can wait for a new entry. Up to you, up to you, up to you. I like this though. We didn't even pull up all the way to like the trend line. I like us coming down, possibly rejecting again, and then continuing higher. That's what I think is high probability. But if you guys got in with me down here, stops are pretty protected. Yeah, feel me? Guys, can we get everyone to like the stream? How many guys are here? 50 guys here. Ew. Look at that. Crazy. DXY going up. Yeah, come back up. So we'll just wait. We'll be a little patient, guys. We still have all night. GA. GA is still valid, guys, for anyone who's looking at GA. You know what I'm saying? GU, gold, GJ, USD CAD. Where are we supposed to take the entry after the pullback? Still on the 50% level, or some things just gotta remain a secret. No, I'm kidding. Nah, for real though. Like, if you guys really do want some one-on-one intense coaching to really take your guys' trading to the next level, I do one-on-ones with you guys on Zoom, or you guys can join the mentorship. I've literally transformed a bunch of people in the mentorship's trading, how they view the market. It's been pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people who even just traded it that like kind of knew what they were doing, but just not that confident. Now, just with some simple adjustments, are seeing a lot of profits. It's been pretty crazy. But I always recommend everyone come join. There's so many traders. All the traders you guys look up to and stuff, all have done some sort of, teaching, mentorship, whatever, to get to where they're at. It's not just, I'm just guessing. For real. But when did you enter on GA? I'd probably wait for, honestly, it's the trend line break, little dink, dink, dink. So I'd wait for it to on GA. Give a little time. DXY is doing. I'm hoping the DXY just comes up and kind of hits like the supply and continues lower. Created kind of equal lows right here. So I'm hoping these come and get swept. That would be ideal. You know what I'm saying? GA pumping a little bit more now. See the P&L going up. Wait and see. New kind of trend line formed here. We see if we can hold there. What up, V Legacy? Good to see you, brother. Gold. Gold hasn't even pulled back in equilibrium or anything too interesting. You know what I'm saying? You starting to react again? So remember, guys, if I were to erase this, the only reason I have that up is because that's where I got in. But I refibbed this low to this high. And we're now back down in discount of this. So if any of you guys want to look for some sort of change of character around here, that would be the where I would look. You know what I'm saying? You have to wait and see though. Wait and see if we get a good reaction. Money's gonna teach you right. You gonna love me. GA. Gold. GJ. GU. What has been your worst and best months talking percentages? I don't know. That's a good question. I don't really know like my worst month has been. There's been months, you know, that you get on a couple losing streak, the couple trade losing streak. But I wouldn't say I've ever ended up like super negative. Except like at the beginning of trading when I was like blowing accounts and stuff, you know. But ever since I've been like a consistently profitable trader, there hasn't been any like huge months where I've lost like 10% or... I mean... I guess technically that's not true. I would say the worst month I've ever done in trading is probably just blowing, if I've ever blown a funded. You know what I'm saying? So... that would be it. Still just gonna hold G for a little bit. See if we can get a good reaction. This volume kind of nowhere. We got this good volume on this push. Kind of retraced and filled it, but still gonna wait and see. See if we hit break even. DXY needs to keep going down. Look, it's pushing. It's put. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we keep pushing or if we're gonna reverse. If we can keep pushing, G should turn. You feel me? Can I get a yes, Lord? Oof. Can I get a yes, Lord? You guys gotta spell it like this. If I ever say, can I get a yes, Lord? Yes, Lord. There we go. Good boy. Yeah, nah, yeah, nah, yeah, nah. Yes, Lord. Thank you, Anita. Who says that again? It's Anderson Pack. Love that guy. There we go. It was trying to scare us out. Party. Oh, take it back. I'm kidding. Limitless, yes sir, no limit. No limit to whatever you guys can do in your life. No limit to anything you put your mind to. Oh damn, we literally just held that low. That's good though. I'm glad that we held this low, because that just built up more liquidity to come and take. It would have been worse if we came and swept it and then we started just going up right away. You know what I'm saying? Definitely, I hope you guys get what I'm saying. Like, if we can just stay and have equal lows, we'll have built up liquidity. So like, even if we pull back up, we can use it as a target for it to come back down. But if we were to sweep and just immediately kind of go up, we most likely are going to continue higher. And the higher the DXY goes, the lower GU goes, but we're still pumping as of now. We'll wait and see. All right, I want everyone in the chat right now. Tell me how many trades you guys take in a day. How many trades do I, and be realistic. Don't just say it just because I'm here. Realistically, how many trades, or how about this? Actually, tell me this. Tell me this. Out of all the days this week, what is the most you took in one of the days? Are you still in GA? I never got into GA. I only got into GU. I showed you guys. I never got into GA. Only GU. I'm still up slightly on GU. 1 to 2 tops, 4, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4 to 5. If you guys are taking any more than 3, maybe 4, nah, actually 3. 3's even pushing it. There's no reason. I just don't get it. Like, you guys gotta shift your mindset. And I get it. It's hard to think like. It's hard to think like what I'm about to say. It's hard to think like what I'm about to say, but I'm telling you, it makes sense, which is less trades is potentially, and I think, gonna actually pay you more over time, whereas I think you guys think that like the more trades you take is gonna make you more money. You're like, oh, if I take 3 trades and I bang them all for a nice like 1 to, you know, and people who usually take like 3, 4 trades in a day are usually the 1 to 1, 1 to 2 traders. You know what I'm saying? So you guys take 3 trades, going kind of 1 to 1, and like hopefully if you win all 3, you'll be up 3% instead of waiting for like the highest probability 1, trying to go for that 3, 4%, whatever it is, and being more consistent, waiting for a consistent thing. I think if you have a strategy, it only presents itself a certain many times in a day. Whereas I think, you know, if you're taking a bunch of trades in a day, it's probably because you don't have a consistent strategy. You're just kind of just to trade. And if you're trading just to trade, that's like, you know, that's rolling the dice just to roll, you know. If you want to take something professional and be good at it, you have to like critique it, get better at it, sample size, understand what you're doing. It's like kind of like with betting, you know what I'm saying? There's people who actually take it seriously and understand the odds and have good risk management and try to have certain things in their favor. Whereas there's other people who just, you know, show up anytime, throw money down, do whatever. They play just to play. Don't trade just to trade. Actually try to get better. Yes, sir. Everyone click that link Salva sent. And make sure you guys join heading into next week. We're going to be killing it. This week was a little slower, so this next week, you already know, I'm going to be on it for killing it. It's the last week of the mentorship, guys. Been locked in with them for the last 3 weeks. It's been really amazing. Once that ends, I'm going to be doing another one, guys, in the middle of next month. And then that'll be my last one of the year. And then we'll see how many I do next year. Probably do another like 1 to 2. It's not going to be something I do a ton. And it's not something I'm going to do forever. But I love the feedback and I love what has been happening. Where the whole reason when I got into teaching, guys, I was like, I want to help out 100 people. If I could change 100 lives, then I'm doing something good. And now it's turned out to be a lot more. You know what I'm saying? Think about it. For how many years I've been doing it, it's been way more. We've surpassed that. We've surpassed 100. And we're only going to keep growing it. You feel me? Hope you guys feel the same way. So I don't like all these wicks to the top side, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my stops to break even here on GU. To get hit, if doesn't. Oh, boom. Oh, wow. Did some news just come out? You guys see that? What? Jeez, bro. Taking a video. Absolute killer, bro. I mean, this is what we do. You already know. To the moon. That's crazy, guys. Another night, another TPs. Bro, what happened? DXY? DXY just sunk, guys. Bro, I see no news. This is why trading can be sketch. Do you guys see anything? I see some euro in 20 minutes. $330 pips. What the frick? We just missed out on 330 pips on GJ. Guys, I'm on the 1 minute chart. That's 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, it went 300 pips. Do you guys know how big 300 pips is? If you guys had a 10 pip stop loss. Oh my God. If you guys were risking $1,000 and you had a 10 pip stop loss, you'd be up $33,000 in 2 minutes. Crazy. Keep chugging GU. It's definitely flying, but the pip count isn't as much as you would think. And I already told you guys I'm only in 10 lots. I'm only at 12 pips. I wanted to do 30 lots. Could you imagine if I was in 30 lots and it went 300 pips? I'd probably take the rest of the year off. I didn't want to think about that, chat. If you guys saw me in 30 lots here on my live account, bro, I would go viral. I would go viral catching that live with you guys. 30 lots and went 300 pips. That would be... Bro, that'd be a lot. Wait, why was I tripping? 30 lots, 300 pips. Was that 90K or whatever? It's related to the yen. Japanese had elections. But why is that not on Forex Factory then? It's like such an important thing to like have on here. I don't even see any JPY. Lied to us. Usually when the Forex Factory doesn't have good stuff, we go over here. JPY, no, just low. Annoying. I wish I had an Instagram to go take a video and post on. What the fuck? Who here in the chat knows anyone on Facebook or Meta or Instagram? Let me know. What happened to GJ Dan? That's what I'm saying, bro. They said it has to do with GJ's like election. But that was not anywhere. Bro, guys. You guys would have seen me make 100K live like it was nothing. Why do I feel like it would be more? Still be crazy though. Actually, no, that makes sense. I'm tripping. Cause I've only, you know, that's me risking 3 grand and then it goes 1 to 30. It's like 90 grand. Crazy. We look at gold. Gold got the deep pullback. We just rejected off the 786 to the T. Wait, where's Lewis? Lewis, you were in G with your 0.01. Did you stay in? Or what happened? I guess it didn't go that crazy. It looked like it went crazy for a second. Yeah, still put a second position at the retracement. Hey, yo. What a beast. On this retracement as well? Lewis? So you got in here and you also got on this retracement? Or what? Must be eating. But guys, that's Lewis. Posted garage is Lewis. He's a member of the mentorship. He's been freaking killing it with us the last 3 weeks. The proof was in the pudding. He got in with us here on this push, refibbed up this leg, and also got in on the retracement 786 for this push. So we got in this position and this position. Absolute killer. Good shit, bro. Absolutely killed it. What's EU doing flying? 786 after seeing the candles dancing. I'm gonna want you to go over this tomorrow, bro. Be ready to break this all down. So, gee. This was great, guys. Catching this live with you guys. Absolutely beautiful. What's the time? Is it 11:32? Alright guys, I'm gonna I'm still gonna be on here for a little bit, but we're gonna do a giveaway tonight, 25K giveaway to someone who comments on the recent YouTube video. Y'all gotta go watch it all the way through too. Just because you guys go click on it and comment, y'all gotta go actually watch it after. It's a good video. Y'all gotta let me know how you like it. Because if y'all don't be running up the vlogs, then I'm just not gonna vlog. Easy, easy. Debbie Luca making me see this better. Yes, sir, bro. I can't wait till it's, those 0.01s turn into the 0.1s, and then it's 1.0, and then it's 10.0. All of a sudden it's 100.0. Bro, it happens quick. You'd be surprised. I remember, because I went from live accounts to prop firms, guys. So I went from doing, like I said, the 1 lots, 4 lots, to starting trading prop firms. I started doing 10 lots, and then all of a sudden when I started getting funding more, 30 lots. And all of a sudden when I was trading GU and EU with the higher size account, even with like a 200K, bro, you're still dropping like 60 lots. Crazy. So I never thought I'd be trading 60 lots so soon. This is awesome. Please keep on, bro. You are killing it. Elvis from Nigeria. Thank you so much, Elvis. Appreciate your support, brother. I'm here live, a lot of the week. So make sure you're subscribed to come check us. What happened to GJ? A lot of people said it had to do with their, they had like an election thing, but I went over to the Forex Factory and Economic News on my FX book, and I didn't see anything. So I'm a little suspicious. That's what I was saying, guys. It's always so important to, first off, pay attention to news, but obviously this one didn't show. But then also, this is a lesson to actually see if someone can say it. When a move like this happens, what's the one thing that we wish that if we were in a position you have? Super important. Someone in the chat said, come on, guys. When a big move like that happens, that moves like 300 pips in 2 minutes, what is something that we are so glad, or that not so glad that like we always hope that we have? It's a learning lesson. Yep, Red Dog Guitars got it. Stop loss. If you guys did not have a stop loss and you guys were on a live account, let's say even like with mine, bro, if I got into this trade with my, $36,000 live account and I was risking $3,000, I would have lost the entire thing in this one candle. I wouldn't have been able to even close fast enough. Isn't that crazy? So be careful. That's all I'm saying. Careful, gang. No take profit. Yeah, if you're in the sells and no take profit, bro, oh my god. Crazy. GJ's broken. Not from India. Thank you so much, Stock Surgeon. Appreciate you. Make sure you guys all go comment, guys. We're gonna pick the winner kind of soon. Comment on the new YouTube video, gang. There goes GA. Oh my gosh. I'm too good, guys. 2 for 2. 2 for 2 on the setups for tonight. I said everything else didn't look too good. GJ, ugly. Gold, ugly. I picked out a GU and GA and handed you guys 2 bangers. Easy. Look at that W also. Gangster. How many pips is that on GA? As much as definitely not as much. 30 pips. Still a good move. You know, having like a little maybe 10 pip stop loss if I got in a little lower or something. Trying to go from 1 to 3, but nothing would have beat that GJ move. Do you take a trade? Yes, I was in GU. Here on this push, I called that out. I also called out GA. I already was in GU, so I didn't get into GA. But I also just had it marked up on the screen for people who want to potentially get in. And it ended up playing out. Everyone right now in the chat, between pick a number between 1 and 10. 10 being best week ever, best trading week ever, and 0 being worst trading week ever. How was your guys' week? Five, 3, 8, 7, 0, 0. 5. Dan was looking at your video. Hell yeah. Got into VIP this week, so 10 actually. Hey, bro, just wait. This week's been slow. Just wait till like, even last week was fire. Last week was super fire. This week hasn't been bad, like awful, but it's just not been, it's just really consolidating. For someone who goes for 1 to 3s, you know what I'm saying? With markets like this, you get 1 to 1s, kind of 1 to 2s. Sucks. Luke is tired today. Hang with us a few more minutes. It's not even just about being tired, but I usually do a little pre-London ritual, and I trade London just dolo, bro. I be playing the music, just trading London. Luca, you so look tired. I know, yeah, I don't know how to put it. But we're good right now. Oh, you have a busy schedule? Yeah, I have a busy schedule. I should be keeping up with stuff. But, you know, no risk, no worry. No risk, no worry. No risk, no Porsche. You know what I'm saying? How's your daily routine? It's just been a little off lately. I actually haven't been sleeping the best, but it's just normal. Talk about a crazy sleep schedule. Freaking talk to Salva. Salva's a trooper. We appreciate Salva always. Goat. Because Salva's 3 hours or 4 hours ahead of me, so it's just even way different. I think he sleeps before and then wakes up for it. Like 4 a.m. or something like that. Pretty crazy. Savage. Does it for the love of the game. For the love of the charts. Look at JL said vampire. Just wake up at 3 a.m. Chill, no chill. Chill, no chill. Jahel. Look at EU dumping now, guys. GU's starting to dump. So I kind of want to get out. Wait and see. EDGA. Cyber on the East Coast, careful for the weather, eh? No, Salvo's all the way in Argentina. Is it too late to get in GU? Yeah, I would put stops break even and close some partials or get out, you know what I'm saying? We're dumping hard. DXY should be flying, yeah. Take a swoop-de swoop. Go over to EU. Oh wow, EU is printing. Literally gapping this up. I don't know. Oh, there was EU news. Right. Red. Right here, inflation rate. So the actual was 1.2, which was negative. So what's the usual effect? Does it say that anywhere? So it's lower than expected, so it should be seen as negative. So if it's negative for the euro, for euro USD, we should be selling. Why? Because if the euro is decreasing in value, the dollar is going to be increasing. Over here, you see going up, and that's going to cause sells on EU. Does that make sense? What about GU sell? I'm just not one to, like, you know, catch the buys and then quickly just change my bias and sell right away. I need to see some sort of break of structure to the downside, then a retracement up. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, you guys have like 1 more minute. Go and comment on this. Everyone go comment on the YouTube video for the giveaway if you want a chance to win a 25K account. We're completely free. Click that YouTube video. Leave some comment. Make sure you're subscribed. If you win and you're not subscribed, we're gonna go on to someone else. You already know. So make sure you guys run that up real quick. Yeah, Salva, send that send the Discord. Make sure you spam that Discord. Well, thank you to everyone who came to the live stream tonight, guys. We're here to catch these bangers time after time again. I remember someone earlier was like, "Oh, do you catch setups live on stream?" It's like, bro, like not all the time, but when we do, we catch bangers like this. You know what I'm saying? We watched GJ go 300 pips, which is crazy. No entry though. GA retracement now, but still, even just catching this downtrend, demand up, impulse, kind of wedged in, same type of thing. Beautiful. But we're gonna do random YouTube comment. Here we go. Like I said, you guys should have did the should have went and left a comment. I've got 33 comments. All right, guys, when I press start, we're gonna get into the giveaway. Thank you to everyone who come in tonight to the live stream, guys. I always have such a fun time with you guys. Not only going over charts and stuff, but also just chopping it up, talking back and forth. Thank you to everyone who always comes and just is super cool and is here to learn something, taking notes. And I always love when you guys will take notes and then send me pictures of it, or take screenshots and tag me on your Instagram. My Instagram's down, but you can tag the podcast page, my Reels page, whatever it may be. But I appreciate y'all. There only can be one winner though, and the winner is Jahel. Let's go. Let's go, brother. You deserve it. Jahel wins it, brother. That's so crazy. Look, you see, he has the eyes. 25K, brother. Two times win Jahel. As long as he hasn't won in the last, what is it? Didn't we say it's like 2 weeks or something? Jahel's been killing it. Jahel's been putting in the work on the charts, guys. So, you know, you pray for the account, you get it. That's awesome. Shout out to Jahel, killing it. And Jahel's in Mexico, guys, going to college while also learning trading, doing both, university and doing the mentorship, showing up to the mentorship calls, taking notes. He always is DMing me with videos of his trades. So he deserves the account, guys. If any of you guys did that, then you guys could do that too. But he's always sending me pictures and videos of his trades, asking if it's good, how he should critique it, all type of stuff. And he's getting better daily. So brother, I hope you run up the account, pass it, all good stuff. You deserve it. Good job, good job, good job. But guys, like I said, 8 minutes until London. We caught a pretty banger setup to start the day. I hope you guys, you know, if you didn't even get into the setup, at least you learned something to then get into the next one. I go over all the little things I look for to get into these entries so that you guys can go, and when I'm not there, look for the same entry types, and all that type of stuff. So yeah, I mean, I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for coming. I always appreciate it. The live streams just keep getting more fun. The community keeps growing. You know what I'm saying? Like last night we got around like 60 people. Tonight was around 50, but you know, I don't have an Instagram. I can't promote it or anything. So I appreciate everyone who does come through. Please go and watch that YouTube video, guys. Like right after this, go watch the YouTube video through. Leave a comment if you liked it. Let me know if you guys like that. I do want to do like more of a trading one next week, so stay tuned for that. And then, you know, it's the end of the week, guys, so don't force anything. If you guys, you know, if you guys break even week, up week, whatever it may be, just be patient, wait for your setup, don't force anything. Thank you, Lay, hiding amongst trees, appreciate it. What up, Patricia? Good to see you. Thank you so much for coming and showing some love. Appreciate it. Your video is dope. Thank you so much, Lay. Yeah, guys, if you guys have not watched the video, it's linked in the chat room. It's linked in the chat room. Go click on it. Show some love, guys. I want to take YouTube more seriously and vlog and that type of stuff, but I need to practice. I need your guys' feedback on what you like and what you don't like so I can grow from there. So appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for coming through. Jahel, congratulations on the account. Guys, I'll do another giveaway maybe tomorrow or something, but you guys are the best. Hey, yeah, Lewis said it, patience. P-A-Y, guys, patience. You get paid to be patient. Be patient with the markets. Only wait for your setup. Don't force anything. Love you guys. Jahel said enter to his mentorship. Yes, guys, if you guys want to learn something, change your trading for the better, that's where you should do it. But I appreciate you. You guys are the best. Catch you guys. Peace out. Bye, gang. Later.